Brisbane Euro Car Service in Brisbane is your one-stop destination for premium maintenance and repair services dedicated to European luxury vehicles. Our team of highly skilled technicians boasts specialized expertise in servicing renowned brands like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, VW, and more. With cutting-edge diagnostic tools and a commitment to precision, we ensure your vehicle receives the exceptional care it deserves. With 5 convenient locations across inner-city Brisbane, we aim to make service or repair to your Euro vehicle as convenient as it can be. Full-service locations: Milton, Newstead, South Brisbane, Gabba and Bulimba. All workshops have full in-house tyre facilities to provide the most efficient and cost-effective solution for your Euro vehicle. At Brisbane Euro Car Service, quality is our foremost priority, and we take pride in delivering top-tier services. Experience the difference with Brisbane Euro Car Service and enjoy peace of mind knowing your European car is in expert hands.